If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Google account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the process effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Ensure you are using the account that has the billing hold. Step 2. Access payment settings. Once signed in, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. This can usually be found in the main menu or under Account Settings. Step 3. Review billing information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payment method. If you find any issues with your payment method, update it with valid information. Add a new credit or debit card if necessary, and ensure all details are accurate. Step 5. Remove the hold. After updating your payment information, return to the billing section and look for an option to remove the hold. Follow the prompts to confirm that the hold has been lifted. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Google account. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.